Imagine having more rooms than most small towns, gardens as big as city parks, and price tags in the billions. Today, we're stepping behind the gates of the world's most expensive homes in 2025. Some you've heard of, others you've only seen in magazines. But wait until you see number one. You won't believe this is real. From royal residences to futuristic skyscraper mansions, the ultimate in luxury, extravagance, and excess. Let's go. Villa Les Sades, French Riviera, France. Tucked away on the French Riviera, Villa Les Sades may not be a skyscraper, but it's no ordinary villa either. Valued at about $450 million, this historic estate blends timeless elegance with pure opulence. Originally built in the 19th century, its grand rooms, lush botanical gardens, and stately terraces transport you to an earlier age while still delivering that rarefied luxury reserved for the world's elite. Think sprawling grounds, refined interiors, and a lifestyle that's more than home, it's legacy. As you walk through its manicured gardens and marble-floored halls, you realize this isn't about convenience or comfort. It's about heritage and status. Spaces this grand don't just house people, they define entire lifestyles. The One, Bel-Air, California, USA. As French Riviera starts to lead the rankings, The One comes in as the most expensive in North America at a staggering $500 million. Built to impress, The One boasts 21 bedrooms, multiple swimming pools, panoramic cityscape views of Los Angeles, the kind that make you feel like you're on top of the world. Walk-in closets bigger than many homes, party rooms, infinity pools. It's the kind of home where every detail screams ambition. But here's the twist. Despite its grandeur, The One is emblematic of modern ultra-luxury's fragility, where fortunes, debt, and changing tides can turn a dream home into a cautionary tale. Its story reminds us, even the most expensive homes are not always forever homes. Villa Leopolda, French Riviera, France. Set on sprawling grounds of the French Riviera, it carries the kind of old-world charm most modern mansions only dream of. Marble staircases, lush sea-facing gardens, infinity pools that spill into the Mediterranean horizon. Owning this estate isn't just about luxury, it's about heritage, privacy, and living where legends once roamed. Walking through this villa, you sense the weight of history and the kind of wealth that transcends generations. It's a home built not just to live in, but to be remembered.
Antilia, Mumbai, India, approximately $2 billion. Welcome to vertical luxury. Rising above Mumbai's skyline, Antilia, owned by billionaire industrialist Mukesh Ambani, is a 27-story skyscraper residence valued at approximately $2 billion. But this isn't a typical high-rise. With 10-plus elevators, a 168-car garage, multiple swimming pools, a snow room, spa, private theater, gardens on various terraces, Antilia redefines the meaning of home. It's more like a private vertical city, one that blends futuristic design with extremes of comfort and luxury. The design takes inspiration from the lotus and the sun, symbolic, yes, but this home is proof. When money and ambition meet, the sky is not the limit, especially when the home is the sky. Buckingham Palace, London, United Kingdom, approximately $4.9 billion. And now, the crown jewel, the undisputed #1, Buckingham Palace. With an estimated value of $4.9 billion, this is officially the most expensive home in the world, and perhaps the most historic. Built centuries ago and serving as the main residence of the British monarchy, this colossal estate spans roughly 828,000 square feet. Inside, 775 rooms, including 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 78 bathrooms, dozens of offices, staterooms, ballrooms, and sprawling gardens that cover 40 acres. Walking through its hallways means stepping through history. Art treasures, chandeliers born in eras long past, grand staircases where kings and queens have walked, and grounds that have witnessed centuries of pageantry, diplomacy, and power. If any house in the world embodies grandeur, legacy, and timeless prestige, it's this one, a home that isn't just for living, but for history. Why these homes? What makes them so expensive? So what's the secret behind these astronomical price tags? It's not just bricks and mortar. It's a combination of factors: location, size, history, architecture, amenities, and the kind of prestige money can't truly buy. Location and rarity. Whether it's a palace in Europe, a villa on the Mediterranean coast, a mega mansion in LA Hills, or a skyscraper home in Mumbai, these properties exist in places where luxury is already a given. Scale and amenities. Hundreds of rooms, vast gardens, multiple pools, helipads, theaters, garages fit for fleets. These are not homes, but private estates. History and heritage. Some, like Buckingham Palace and Villa Leopolda, have centuries of legacy behind them. Others are modern marvels built from ambition. In both cases, they tell stories and status. Exclusivity and prestige. Owning one of these homes is more than comfort. It's a statement, a declaration, a lifestyle that few, extremely few, will ever experience. From royal palaces to skyscraper mansions, these are the homes that redefine what a house can be. We've seen the opulence, the history, the vertical luxury. We've walked through dreams you and I might never own, but we can still admire. Which home blew your mind the most? The timeless grandeur of Buckingham Palace? The Riviera's refined Villa Leopolda and Le Cedra? Or the futuristic vertical city that is Antillia? Like if you enjoyed this house tour. Drop a comment below with what you'd like to see next. Subscribe for more incredible homes, world-class real estate, and a peek behind the gates that most will never cross.